Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting, and today we are going to do some crafting, so that's a good thing. I believe we are just going to go through my stash and find some items to make, because I can't buy any more stuff from Dollar Tree. It's just ridiculous. I need to be a stakeholder there because I'm going to make them rich. I'm not buying any more stuff from Dollar Tree. So we're going to be crafting from my stash and see what we can make. I'm not sure. I've got a bunch of tumbling tower block ideas, and so we probably do something in that direction. Maybe a wreath for my door for spring and, you know, whatever, because it's almost summer now, so I don't know. But we'll see what we come up with. So make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and comment. Leave a comment down below, as well as subscribe. Whenever you subscribe, you should hit the bell so that you know when the next video comes out. So go ahead and do all those YouTube things we need you to do, and then let's go ahead and go take a look. Okay, so I lost my video. Or actually, no, it was sideways, so I couldn't use it. So what I'm doing is I'm going to create a vase, and I'm using an old candle jar in these racetracks from Dollar Tree. So I'm just measuring just by holding it up to that candle jar, and we're going to cut it using wire snips on the edges because the edges are super thick, and then scissors across the middle. And this was fairly easy as long as you measured properly. The main thing was getting it straight. So getting that cut straight using both scissors and wire cutters was difficult. If you are strong enough to just use the scissors, then that would obviously be the easiest path here. But I couldn't, my hand, I can't do that. So I had to use both. But I was able to cut them, and I ended up using 3 of the racetracks. So 1.5 packs of racetracks to get around this candle jar that I used. And I'm sorry about this video going in and out like that with the blurring. Again, it does this automatic focusing, which is stupid annoying. I wish it would just leave it alone because it's fine like that. So here I'm just measuring all the way around. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I used 9 pieces altogether for this candle jar. And again, I'm just making sure that I have enough pieces to get all the way around, and I do. And so I'm hot gluing. You could, of course, use super glue or E6000 or what have you. I'm hot gluing. And I'm hot gluing just along the edge. And then I'm going to hold it up against the jar and then put the other one up onto that hot glue. Since there is a curve in the jar, you can't just hot glue them flat on the table like you normally would. So that's why I'm going through the extra step of holding it against that candle jar. And we're literally just going to do this all the way around the jar. And the last piece, there is some overlap. Now, it depends on the size of your jar, but there was some overlap, so I can see that gap there. I'm just going to cover that gap with 1 piece. And while it's not perfect that way, it is better than having the gap. So I figured that 1 piece being on the outer edge is better than the gap. Then to hold it, I am going to just put rubber bands around it. I don't know, I think I left it for maybe a half an hour or something. I think I ate lunch or something, I don't remember. And then we're going to spray paint it with this Rust-Oleum satin paint that works on plastic and glass and everything. And that was it. Like, super easy. And I like that it was a bit shiny because then it makes it look a little bit like glass. So the satin finish for me worked out well. And that's it. Super easy. The next one was just updating a frame that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was $1.79 because it had some blemishes. So they put the price sticker, of course, on the matte finish of this frame. But that's okay because we can get that off with a little bit of hair drying and scraping. And they probably put the sticker there because that's where the blemish was. That's where it kind of started. So I'm guessing that that's why they put the sticker there, which is fine for me. because we're going to cover all that mess up. It'll be just fine. So once we've got that sticker off, we can see here that blemish. There's a line that I couldn't get off, and then there was some other little stuff there that was black. So all I'm going to do, literally to this frame, all I'm going to do is paint the matte, I don't know what you call it. The backing. I don't know what you call it. Why can't I think of the word? You see what I'm doing. I'm just painting. And then there was also a little blemish on the frame there, so I'm also going to paint that with just a little bit of black there. And it's perfect. Like, I'm 100% happy. I didn't have to pay $26.99 or whatever the original price was. I paid $1.79 like it was from Dollar Tree. Next, we are going to just make this little basket, which was $1.49 on their 90% off sale when it was the end of fall. This was in a fall package, or the fall get up at Hobby Lobby. And it is kind of fallish, but I'm going to make it kitchenish with the spring flowers that I put in here. So I just chose some white and pink and very springish type flowers and just putting those in my little basket there. I used some Dollar Tree bags at the bottom and then one small foam, or I guess 2 pieces of foam to go inside for the flowers to stick into. And we're just going to arrange it the way we like. And I did use these leaves as well. They were red on one side and then green and white on the other. You can't really see them, and I apologize, but in the end you'll be able to see them. So once I put all that stuff in, I decided that I needed something to cover up the foam. So I grabbed my garland, my probably also from Hobby Lobby, 50% off, Hobby Lobby treat there. And I'm going to just cover up that foam. It took, I don't know, maybe 2-3 feet of that garland to do. And then I have to rearrange or put the flowers back in. So then I'm just going to put everything back in the bucket or the basket. Is it a basket or is it a bucket? I don't know. But there it is. And I'm completely happy with these projects today. And I do thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts. I would appreciate it if you'd go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and then also subscribe. Remember, whenever you subscribe, you should hit the bell so that you know when the next video comes out. I do appreciate you coming by today, and of course you should know to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks so much for stopping by. Y'all have a great one.